Hi, welcome to another episode of I Am Trans News. I am your host, as always, Novana Beta, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Supreme Court turning down a chance to consider whether a Catholic hospital can be sued over transgendered rights, okay? Now, the article I'm reading to you was posted today. This story has been going on for a minute, but I guess this is important because the Supreme Court decided not to weigh in on the matter. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and read some of the article for you. So, it says here, the Supreme Court on Monday turned down an appeal from a Catholic hospital in California that was sued after refusing to perform a hysterectomy for a transgendered man. The court's denial, issued without comment, sends the lawsuit back to the state courts for forward proceedings against the hospital and avoids, for now, the issue of when claims of religious freedom can trump anti-discrimination laws. What? Hold on. It says here, further proceedings against the hospital and avoid for now the issue when claims for religious freedom can Trump's anti-discrimination laws. Okay, so Trump made some anti-discrimination laws or something like that. I do remember him making he made some he did make some laws like that. Anyway, it says here, the transgender person that was getting the hysterectomy was Evan Minton, and they've been trying to go through this and trying to get the surgery done since 2016. That's when they sued because they were scheduled this surgery that they were supposed to have at Mercy Saint Juan. Excuse me. At Mercy St. Juan was canceled due to Evan Mitten's transgender status. I'm just summarizing from what I read prior to. It says here, let me just read this one. It seems like this might be noteworthy. It says here, the hospital said that it does not discriminate against transgender patients, but does refuse to perform certain procedures, including abortion or sterilization, that would violate the Roman Catholic faith. Without the Supreme Court's initiation, lawyers from the hospital said the law state provides no protection whatsoever to religious health care providers that are compiled and allowed to proceed in freedom of their faith without violations. Okay, so that's what they said. And excuse me, I'm getting over my cold, so I still feel like, something happened to me. Whew. Oh my God. It says here, the Affordable Care Act, better known as the Obamacare, forbids hospitals and medical clinics to discriminate on the basis of sex. The Trump administration said that provision did not apply to the LGBTQ patients. But in May, the Biden administration announced that it will intercept the law as banning law for banning LGBTQ discrimination for medical facilities that receive federal funds. The Department of Health and Human Services argued patients who are denied care to file they urged patients who were denied care to file complaints. It says here, Evan Mitten's lawsuit, which is now going back to California courts, is based on state law claims, not Obamacare. Okay. So, excuse me for coughing and stuff like that. It's kind of hard for me to get through it no matter what. So, I'm like, it don't matter how many times I do this. Me coughing. But, Feeling better than what I was last week. All right. So, as always, let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell at the top. And as always, I am your hostess, Novana Beta. And this is I Am Trans News.